In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to solve chess daily puzzles, a step-by-step method. Start by taking a calm, wide-angle look at the board to evaluate the position. Quickly count material so you know who's up or down, but don't stop there. Compare king safety for both sides. Are there exposed kings, loose pawns, or weakened squares around them? Scan for immediate threats against your pieces and your opponents, including hanging pieces, back rank issues, and mating nets. This snapshot sets your priorities and prevents blunders before you even begin calculating. Next, shift into forcing move mode using the classic CCT framework. Checks, captures, and threats. Look for every available check first, even the ones that seem odd at a glance, such as a queen sacrifice or a bishop check like Bx f2+. Moves like Qxgz might blow open the king or lead to a quick finish. If no check is promising, examine captures that win material or open key lines. Finally, consider moves that create a new threat, like attacking the queen or setting up mate. This order keeps your calculation efficient and focused. As you shortlist candidates, identify the tactical themes that might be hiding in the position. Forks, pins, discovered attacks, and skewers are frequent puzzle motifs. Often, solutions revolve around controlling a critical square or setting up a forcing sequence towards stalemate or a checkmate. Keep an eye on deflections, decoys, and interference moves too, as puzzles love to reward pattern recognition. Now calculate. Test your forcing ideas one by one. For each candidate, ask what the opponent's best reply is, then your follow-up, and continue until the line resolves. Visualize the final position and confirm that it actually works. The daily puzzle typically has one correct path, so look for clean forcing lines rather than messy guesses. Be open to sacrifices and unexpected moves. Giving up a knight or rook can be winning if it exposes the enemy king, traps a queen, or forces mate. Trust the logic of the position. If your attack gains time with checks and every reply is limited, the sacrifice may be sound. Don't get trapped by the obvious. Some puzzles tempt you with a flashy move that allows a resource, like an escape square or stalemate trick. For example, promoting to a queen might stalemate, while promoting to a bishop or rook can secure the win. Always check the opponent's last resource before you commit. If you're stuck, use the daily puzzle calendar and glance at the puzzle's title for subtle hints. Then circle back to CCT, recalc the cleanest line, and play with confidence.